I went to a Lumberfest yesterday in Lumberton at a car show there. I took Dirty John, the Junkyard Dog, and the Mini Chopper. And man, they love them all. All right, we're at Wesley's. Fix to pick up Dirty John for the car show tomorrow in Lumberton. All right, locked and loaded. Ready to go to the little shop where dreams come true. Get ready for tomorrow's car show. Wesley's taking the 57, the black 57, and Dirty John to cruising the coast. So if any of you guys going to cruising the coast, if you see it, talk to Wesley. I won't be there. All right, headed to the car show, Lumberton, with Dirty John, Junkyard Dog, and the Mini Chopper. First time the Mini Chopper been to a show. I don't know if people's gonna like it or not. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Lumberfest, got them here. Mini Chopper, Junkyard Dog, Dirty John. But anyway, at the car show in Lumberton, Lumberfest, man, people love Dirty John. Those stitches, well, you seen, like I said, I don't have it here, but you know they got, it's yellow, we got those stitches all over. People just love those stitches. I mean, they had kids, men, women, older men, women, younger women, men, kids. I let the kids sit in it and take pictures. And I told them, I said, this is not a do not touch car. You can touch this one. Matter of fact, you can sit in it and get somebody to take a picture of you like you burn rubber or something. So they had a lot of them done that. And what surprised me is they had like older women like my age that looked at Dirty John and they was amazed at Dirty John. Those stitches, they had to come put their fingers, they had to come feel those stitches because they couldn't believe what they were seeing. They had to put their fingers on it, feel it, see what it felt like. That was cool. And the mini chopper, oh, by the way, I won second place car. They didn't even have a rat rod class or a hot rod class. They just had a car, truck, motorcycle class. So I won second place with Dirty John car. Won first place motorcycle with the mini chopper, believe it or not. And man, it was the same with this. I mean, they went crazy over it. Older people, younger people. I let the kids sit on it and take pictures, and they loved that mini chopper big time. I mean, like the same with Dirty John, older women. They had let the people vote, and I had a lot of older people voted for this mini chopper and Dirty John and Junkyard Dog, but Junkyard Dog didn't win anything. It had a lot of nice trucks there, a really nice truck. So yeah, the old dog didn't win anything yesterday, but he had fun. Yeah, first place right here. It was great. Like I said, after the show, Wesley come picked up Dirty John and go to cruising the coast with it. He's gonna be there all week, cruising the coast with Dirty John and his 57 Ford Fairlane he just got going. So yeah, check out Wesley's channel too, Keys Customs. This time next year, I might have this bad boy ready for Lumberfest Car Show. It might win first place, who knows? Might not win nothing, but it's gonna be fun regardless. There's my plaque. Second place car, first place motorcycle, 2024 Lumberfest. So I don't do many car shows or car show videos, but I just wanted to show you what was happening and that I went with 3 vehicles to the car show and the end result.